Hi guys, Tommy from Ariston. Let me introduce you to the MWA33B. This is our flagship model in a new lineup of freestanding microwaves. Let's talk about specifications and features. We have a drop-down door, stainless steel interior, 31 litre capacity, rear fan and element for conventional baking, quartz grill, dual wave emission points for 3D cooking, dynamic sensor that actively determines humidity levels within the microwave space, 90 pre-programmed recipes. You'll be cooking up a storm in no time. Let's go through the functions together. Here we have the stop button, used to stop or reset any of the cooking functions, followed by the manual cooking functions, where we have microwave, grill, combination grill and microwave, combination forced air and microwave, and quick heat, followed by the dynamic reheat, which will use a sensor inside to actively reheat your food to desired temperature. This is followed by defrost button with manual or automatic. Here we have the steaming button used in conjunction with your steaming accessory, followed by the dynamic crisp button used in conjunction with your crisping plate or dynamic crisp cake tin. This is then followed by the fan force button with preheat or without preheat. This is your selection knob and selection button. Here we have the defrost bread button, used to defrost bread without it going soggy. This is then followed by the chef's menu button, which has 90 different recipes, all from different categories. This is then followed by the favorites button, used to store or recall your favorite recipes. Here we have the settings button, used to change things such as sound and language. This is the stop rotation button, just in case you've got large items that will not turn freely within the microwave space. Here we have the timer button, which is a minute minder. Then here we have the jet start button, used to start the cooking function, or if it's off, you can use it to activate your microwave at the highest setting. Let's go through the accessories together. Microwave cover. This is great for reheating your food without getting any splatters or a mess. Low wire rack, great for lasagnas, as well as a high wire rack, great for toasted sandwiches or chicken parmesanas. The steaming accessory with a strainer in the middle, great for doing your steamed veggies or even stuff like pastas or rice. Dynamic crisp plate. This gets up to 200 degrees, so it's great for roast chickens or even pastries, as well as the crisping handle. This is to pick up that hot plate. Let's go through the optional accessories. Dynamic crisp cake tin, cook cakes within mere minutes. Large oven baking tray, great for biscuits or even large roasts that won't fit on the crisping plate. For further information about any of the accessories or the microwave itself, visit aristonbrand.com. Hopefully you learned something about the microwave in this video. See you next time and take care.